everyone, today I am going to make avocado sandwiches. For that I have taken 2 avocados. These 2 are enough for my sandwiches. If you are making more, take more avocados. These are nice, right? I am cutting the avocado with knife. This way cut them into half and twist it. The color inside is nice and green. The pit we need to remove like tapping like this on the pit, and the pit comes out very nicely. Easy to remove the pit in this way. After that I will remove avocados out. I'll scoop out the avocados with a spoon in this bowl. This way I am removing avocado. Fat content inside avocado is considered as a healthy fat, so we should eat avocados. Now I removed avocado. This way I will remove other avocados and we'll make a paste for the sandwiches. Here I am going to toast breads for sandwiches. I have taken 4 breads and I will make 4 sandwiches out of that. Placing bread inside the oven. You can apply butter on the bread before toasting it, but I am avoiding butter. Now I will mash the avocados with a spoon. I am mashing with the fork. If avocados are nice ripe, you can mash them with the fork very easily. And my paste is ready. My mashed avocado is ready. For sandwiches, I have taken 1 medium sized tomato which I have chopped, and half of the medium sized onion which I have also chopped. Here I am adding tomatoes to the avocados, then onions, here add salt according to your taste. I have added around half teaspoon of salt and squeeze lemon in it. You can add into it cucumbers or boiled chicken for chicken sandwiches, or boiled and chopped eggs. But today I am not making egg or chicken sandwich. Today I am simply making a vegetarian avocado sandwich. So I mixed them all together and my paste is ready. This we will apply on the toast and I will make the sandwiches. On my toast I am applying the paste. Spread it nicely, evenly. This is as per your taste and your liking, how much you need, but put it very nicely evenly on the toast. I think I need little more. toast is now ready, and I'll put another toast on that. Yeah, it's now ready. I am cutting them into two half. And my two sandwiches are ready. Look, these are looking very delicious. You can eat them in your breakfast or another time. You can pack them for your lunch box for you and for your kid. Thank you for watching my video. Please like, subscribe and share.